Right, traders, I'm looking at the Nasdaq. I've just had a pattern form here with my Pure Pattern Trader software. I've got an instance where price is above a 200 period EMA, meaning that I want to only take long trades here. We've got a little bit of a pullback to the validation level, so I'm going to try to scalp with two contracts. The Nasdaq. This could be on any market. I'm following the crude oil futures as well as gold and the ES. You can see there that I'm in with two contracts at the moment. This is during the Globex session. Since I live in a different time zone out of the US, this is one of my favorite ways to scalp the market. It works extremely well during the overnight session, during the US session as well. And I'm particularly looking at trend continuation patterns. Those being your ascending, descending triangles, your symmetrical triangles, as well as cup and handle patterns and flag patterns. So I've just been notified by my market scanner or analyzer that I had this pattern setting up on the NQ. And there we can see we have a nice little pump towards my first target, which is the target projection area that is also identified by the actual pattern. Right, so I got my first target full there. I had a bit of an issue with the connection. That's perfectly fine. So I'm going to reduce my risk on remaining position and see if we can get a nice little runner to 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. Should price reach the 1 to 2, I'll probably go to break even and start trailing my stop to the upside. I am scalping here. So really need to be aggressive with that trailing stop and reducing risk on my remaining position. Again, I've just looked at the Nasdaq because I've had a green sort of background form here. It told me that I've got a confirmed pattern, and all I need to do is, once that happens, and just keep an eye on the market analyzer, see if any of these patterns appear on one of these markets. If price is above the 200 period EMA, I only want to be long. If it's below, only be short. So I have to quickly go over to the corresponding market that's been identified by my market scanner. Look at what pattern that is. Go and click on the pattern that it identified. This case, again, ascending, descending triangle, and see if I want to trade it. In this case, got into it. It was a little bit of a snack there on my connection side of things, but that is back now. So already booked profit. Even if price now reverses, goes all the way down, stops me out, I would walk away with profit overall. But I'm really trying to let the market run without moving my stop too prematurely to break even, therefore trying to avoid getting stopped out too quick and give the market as much space as possible to move around in. We're getting a reversal from that first target projection, which was again just over a 1 to 1. Let's see, we might just be getting a retest of this ascending triangle's upper horizontal part. Again, even if I do take a loss here, it was a nice little quick scalp, which will be profitable overall. Let's see. Whether I get stopped out here or not, there was a nice little one early on, which also worked out really well as another one, again below the 200 period EMA in both these occasions, which all ran to profit. It was a nice one fairly early. I didn't take that, obviously I was still asleep, which also worked out. So 3 ascending and descending triangle formations that worked out. Only traded this one, booked a little bit of profit on there. Let's quickly have a look at what that was. Price broke above that ascending triangle. My first target was at the target projection level, 41 ticks. I did trade with 2 contracts. In this case, $205 towards that first profit level, and price reverse lower stopped me out at half. So I walked away with just over $100 on this trade. Not too bad, and literally been in this trade for about a couple of minutes. Right, so if you enjoyed this video and want to find out more about the Pure Pattern Trader software, then it is one of my favorite scalping strategies that I do teach. with our Ninjacators Fast Track program. There will be a link below this video in the description. You can go and check that out. I called it the Pattern Pro Trend Rider Strategy, and I do scalp this during the actual US session as well. So you want to check it out, see how this works in a live trading environment, then please click on the link in the description. I'll see you on the inside. Take care and goodbye.